how is it that we're supposed to provide what people want, when they want it, where they want it, effortlessly, immediately, consistently, personally, and memorably? People have focused on one core strategy for making money, and it's worked really well for a long, long time, and it's a product strategy, and it basically goes like this: get the best product to the consumer at the best price, and you win. How could you beat that value proposition? Well, lower price. At some point, it all comes down to price. And if you play that game for too long, you develop a whole consumer who has no loyalty. They just want to know, how low will you go? The opportunity is to reclaim the emotional connection in the context of a quality, experience-focused future. Having something that connects to them, not only practically through satisfaction, but emotionally through engagement, and thinking about them not just now, but in their future generations of use of your products and services. It's not just about operational excellence or consistency of operations. It's about the human space where we can drive real human connections. You are in the people business, creating connections through your product. They're expecting somebody to see them, to hear them, to acknowledge their presence, to celebrate, not through yippee, but celebrate a little bit, the fact that they are in your store as opposed to somewhere else where they could be spending their money. Think about this. The notion that I would put my good name out there to recommend your business to my family, friends, or associates, that is another level up where I say, I am so much in a relationship with you that I am willing to extend you into the relationships of my life. I want to ask you this. I want you to point to north. You would agree there is such a place called north. It doesn't matter where it is. It matters that you tried to help me, right? You did your best. And we ask our people every day to deliver an emotionally engaging experience that drives loyalty, that causes people to have passion for our brand, and yet we don't tell them where north is. Really, the message about True North is telling your people what you want your customers to feel, not just how to do it. If you look at that map of your persona-based customer journey, then you see someplace where people are flying high, they just look fabulous, they look amazing, you've done incredible work with them. That's a moment to create some emotional energy, to celebrate, to capture, to encourage sharing. It is a moment I want to remember. I feel so good, right? And so let's celebrate it, package it. Brands that do this really are pretty amazing. And in the context of the substantive importance of it, they leave a legacy. As you leave here today, I ask you one thing. What is that legacy going to be for you? And you could think, I don't really need to worry about that stuff, but I'll tell you, we don't know how much time we have, but we know we have now. And really, I hope you'll take something from the time that you spend together to drive greater engagement for your customers, and that you'll take a moment to create a legacy statement. Because the sooner you make it, the longer you have to live into it, and the more likely you are to create it.